How to replace a search icon with a search bar in Shopify? Replacing a search icon with a visible search bar in Shopify improves user experience by making product discovery faster and more intuitive, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Now, let's get started. First, you need to access the theme code editing area. You should make code editing on a copy of theme to make sure it doesn't affect your main theme code. Here, you find the header.liquid file. In this file, you need to find this line of code. I will show this code in the video description section. Now you need to remove it. Next, you have to copy this code. And paste it in the place of the code you have deleted above. Don't worry. You will also get this code in the description. Finally, don't forget to save your changes and check if you are successful. Here, you see my search icon has been replaced by a mini search bar. It's more beautiful and unique.